What's up, folks? How y'all doing today? Coming to you today talking about twins. Everybody loves a good set of twins. Either they're shaped great, look alike, something, but they're twins. Right? Well, here's my twins. Here's my twins. This is my twins right here. See them? They twins. I love my twins. My twins love me. Just for the snobbers, everything is safe. So, back to my twins. When I see my twins, I like them. I hug them tight. I hug them tight. Know what I mean? Hug them tight. They love me. My twins. Everybody loves a set of twins. Peace. Big Marv, the gunner.